Hi, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video to show how I would use the shell command to model up a simple tray for 3D printing. I'll just get stuck into it and see how we go. So start with a sketch. On the top plane, not that it really matters. Press R for rectangle. I want a center point rectangle. 300 millimeters by 125, doesn't really matter. We'll fillet this, collect all the edges. Just fillet it at 5 millimeters. So there's that done. Then we go up to solid, click on extrude. This one wants to be 18 millimeters high. 45-degree angle on it. So there's the start of our tray. And we'll grab the shell command, which is up above modify. Click on the face we want to remove. Give it a thickness, wall thickness of 3 millimeters. Hit OK. So there's our basic tray. Now we'll just put some fillets on it. We go 5. Add another fillet. Now I want to round the top of this, and I did find through a little bit of trial and error that I need to do 2 fillets to get this to look nice, and the order matters. So if I take the outside, and we'll go 2 millimeters, and then we'll take the inside, and we'll go 1 millimeter, and that'll give us a nice rounded edge. Go OK. So there you have it, a nice simple tray, a quick easy project for anybody wanting to 3D print something quite useful. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, under 5 minutes, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.